When I started using Seedance 2.0, I thought it was easy. I thought I was just a prompt and the AI is making everything very easy. No, I was completely wrong. I burned so many credits with blurry image, different faces, different movement, different camera angles. Rather than what I was thinking for, I got something completely different. So I went back, tested everything and found out 5 mistakes that destroy your credits balance. So you make sure you watch this video till the end and not waste credits again. The first mistake and the most common is starting your prompt with a vibe instead of a subject, something like this. Let's try this basic prompt and see what happens. The AI has no subject, so it guesses it. And when Seedance 2.0 guesses, you guess something that looks interesting but means nothing. That's a wasted credit. Here's the fix, always lead with who or what is in the shot. Let's try again with a fixed prompt. Same mood, completely different quality. Subject first every single time. This is really look like a movie. Seedance 2.0 is a video model. It thinks in motion, but most people write prompts like they're describing a photo. Let's try with a basic one. Pretty basic, as you can see. It really looks like AI. The AI doesn't know what to do with motion, so it makes something up. Sometimes it works, but most of the time it doesn't. Another wasted set of credits. The fix is to be explicit about camera movement and your subject movement. You are the director, tell the AI exactly what moves, what stays still, and how the camera behaves. Motion direction is not optional, it's the difference between a clip you can use and one you have to throw away. This one surprises people. More detail sounds better, right? Not always. Watch what happens when you overload the prompt with conflict information. Here, sunshine and heavy rain, dark moody and joyful happy, slow motion, close up, and wide shot and area. The AI tries to do all of it and does none at all. That's 3 wasted decisions and a set of wasted credits. The fix is to choose one mood and one shot type of generation. One scene, one mood, one camera angle. Generate more clips separately if you need different shots. That's what the storyboard is for. Don't try to fit an entire film into one prompt. Here's the mistake that costs people the most credits and they don't even realize it's a mistake. Using text to video when you should be using image to video. If you have a specific scene you want to animate, generating from text alone is like describing a painting to someone over the phone and hoping they paint exactly what is in your mind or in your head. Let's try with this prompt, a street flower market with lots of colorful flowers and warm lighting. Decent. It's not bad, but very generic. The AI is guessing the composition, the color, the framing, everything. Now watch what happens when I take an image from Google or an image that I created before with Seedance 5.0, attach it as reference and use it as a prompt instead. Much better. The colors are exactly right, the composition matches, the camera move feels intentional because the AI has something real to work from. This image looks really real, it's the right atmosphere of the flower market. Every time you have a reference image, use it. Text to video is for exploring, image to video is for when you know what you want. Don't burn credits exploring when you already have the answer in front of you. And if you notice, there is a little mistake on my last generation. The aspect ratio is 4.3 and you have 2 black lines on the side. Last one is the quickest fix on the list. Most people leave duration and aspect ratio on whatever the default is and just hit generate. Completely wrong. Then they get a clip that doesn't fit the project and have to regenerate. Wasted credits again. Let me show you exactly what I mean. For example, this is a golden retriever puppy that runs across with a ball, duration 4 seconds and aspect ratio 9:16. The puppy barely has time to move, and 9:16, the wide shot is completely cropped. And now watch the exact same prompt with the right settings. I'm gonna put 10 seconds and the aspect ratio at 16:9. Same prompt, Same AI, completely different result. Just because I set the format before hit generate. So before every single generate, ask yourself where you need the video for. YouTube, 16:9. TikTok, Instagram, let's go on vertical, 9:16. And always ask yourself, how long does this scene actually need? Slow cinematic shots need time. Give them 8 to 10 seconds minimum. 5 seconds of setup, 0 wasted credits. 5 mistakes, all of them fixable. So let's recap. Lead with a subject. Direct the motion. Keep one mood per clip. Use image reference and set your aspect ratio. If I help you save credits, make sure you like the video, subscribe the channel, and I'll see you here later this week for another great video.